Good morning, sir. May I speak with you for a minute?
Good morning, Raj. Of course, come in. What's the matter?
I want to request leave for tomorrow, sir.
Is everything all right? You look a bit worried.
My mother isn't feeling well. I need to take her to the hospital.
I'm sorry to hear that. How is she now?
She's feeling weak, and the doctor has asked us to come for a checkup first thing in the morning.
I understand. Family comes first. Has this been going on for long, or is it sudden?
It started 2 days ago, sir. She had a mild fever, but yesterday evening she felt very dizzy and couldn't stand properly. That's when we decided to call the doctor.
That does sound concerning. Did the doctor say anything over the phone?
Yes, sir. He suspects it could be low blood pressure or some kind of infection, but he wants to run a few tests before confirming anything.
I see. It's good that you're being proactive about it. Health issues should never be delayed, especially with elderly parents.
Exactly, sir. That's why I wanted to inform you personally rather than just sending a message.
I appreciate that, Raj. It shows responsibility. Now tell me, do you have any pending deliverables for tomorrow that we should worry about?
Yes, sir, I do have a few tasks. I was scheduled to submit the monthly inventory report and also join the client call at 11 a.m.
All right, let's sort that out. Can you complete the inventory report today before you leave?
Sir, absolutely. I'll stay a little later today and make sure it's finished and sent to you for review before I go.
That would be very helpful. And what about the client call?
I was thinking Priya could handle it in my place. She's already familiar with the account, and I can brief her today so she's fully prepared.
That sounds like a sensible plan. Please talk to her this afternoon and make sure she has all the necessary documents and notes.
I will, sir. I'll prepare a short handover note as well, just in case she has any questions while I'm away.
Good thinking. That kind of preparation makes things much easier for everyone.
Thank you, sir. I want to make sure my absence doesn't create any trouble for the team.
I can see that, Raj, and I want you to know it's appreciated. Not everyone thinks about the team while dealing with a personal emergency.
It's just how I was taught, sir, to be responsible no matter the situation.
That's a good quality to have. Now, will one day be enough? Or do you think you might need more time depending on the test results?
I'm hoping one day will be enough, sir, but if the doctor recommends further tests or a longer recovery period, I'll inform you immediately so we can plan accordingly.
That's fair. Please keep me updated, even if it's just a short message. I'd rather know early than be surprised later.
Of course, sir. I'll call or message you as soon as I have more information from the doctor.
Thank you. And Raj, don't worry too much about work while you're at the hospital. Your mother's health is the priority right now.
Thank you so much, sir. That really means a lot to me.
You're a valuable member of this team, and we take care of our people. Also, do you need any assistance? If you need to leave early today to make arrangements, that's fine too.
That's very kind of you, sir. I think I can manage, but I'll let you know if anything changes.
All right. Before you go, let's just quickly confirm you'll finish the inventory report today, brief Priya on the client call, and take leave tomorrow. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, that's exactly the plan.
Perfect. Consider your leave approved. I hope your mother's checkup goes smoothly and that it's nothing serious.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your support and understanding.
You're very welcome, Raj. I hope your mother recovers soon. Take care of her and take care of yourself too.
Thank you, sir. I'll make sure to complete my pending work before I leave today.
That's very responsible of you. Go ahead and finish up. And let Priya know she can come to me if she has any questions.
I will, sir. Thank you once again for your kindness.
Anytime, Raj. That's what a good team is for supporting each other in tough times.
I truly appreciate that, sir. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Raj. And give my regards to your mother. I hope she feels better very soon.
I will pass that along, sir. Thank you.
Take care, Raj. See you the day after tomorrow.
See you then, sir. Thank you again.